everyone, welcome to our Freedom Folio's weekly tax saving video. If you have not subscribed to our social media channel, please consider hitting the like button right now and subscribe so you can stay current with the latest tax saving tips. This is your tax guru, Shirley. I am one of the 800 certified tax planner in the US. My firm Freedom Folio has saved our clients $2 million up to date in federal taxes, and it's counting. So today I want to talk about 2024 tax season and the top number 5 things that you can do even after year end to help reduce taxes. So tax season for 2023 is going to start on January 29th. IRS is going to start accepting and processing individual tax returns. Before that date, here are 5 things that you should consider doing if you have not done so before year end. Tip number 1 is clean up your books. So if you have not hired a bookkeeper and you have not updated your book, please make sure that you take the time to clean up your book so you can maximize all your expenses and tax deductions. If you need help with that, please reach out to a professional, like myself, because we do offer bookkeeping services. The tip number 2 is cost segregation, because we work specifically with real estate investors. So it's not too late to do cost segregation for prior year, but just make sure that you do the cost benefit analysis to see if it's actually worth doing the strategy, because you want to make sure that you get this done before tax filing deadline. So if you're an individual taxpayer, we can have it extended all the way until October 15, so you have plenty of time to get it done before that. But you want to make sure, again, work with a professional and evaluate to see if the tax saving is actually worth the cost. And then tip number 3 is run late payrolls for yourself. So if you are an S Corp owner and you have not run yourself any payroll last year because you missed the December 31st deadline, you may still have time before January 31st to run late payrolls. So if you don't know how to do that, reach out again to a tax professional or payroll provider to have that late payroll run for you so you can reduce some of your tax burdens for 2023. We also provide payroll services, so feel free to reach out to us and then book a free consultation. Tip number 4 is, set up and contribute to your tax retirement account, because after the Secure Act was introduced, you can retroactively set up a retirement account for 2023 after December 31st deadline, and you have until your tax filing deadline to make the contribution. So please take advantage of this. If you do not have any retirement account set up for you and you are thinking about doing it, then reach out to a investment advisor or your CPA. They can connect you with somebody trustworthy to help get this set up for you. Now, tip number 5 is determine how you want to file your taxes. So, if you did not make S Corp election, or if you want to change the way your tax is getting done, it's not too late to do that. So if you have not had a year-end planning meeting with your current CPA, feel free to book a consultation with us, and then we can see, if it's worth considering do an S Corp election for prior year and whether or not you're even eligible to do that. And that can help, save a lot of self-employment taxes. So with that said, I'm gonna close out today's little video tip webinar. So hope you enjoy those tips. And again, feel free to reach out to us and subscribe and follow us on the social media, because we do share these tips regularly. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy those tips, and happy 2024.